past. Good. Good or not? Okay, which rhyme do you want to sing today? Past, tell me.
Should I unmute yourself to all of them? है ना, राइम टाइम पे तो करना होगा ना मैं अनम्यूट, तभी तो हम सुन सकेंगे.
Yeah, sure.
Now unmute yourself, everyone. Then you can talk. But don't make a noise. Walaikum assalam. Say hello to Miss Turfa as well.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
How are you, Abbas?
No, बुरी बात. Fine, thank you.
अच्छा तुम क्या पढ़ेंगे?
Rhymes पढ़ेंगे. We will sing rhymes, na? Which rhyme do you want to sing?
Poems पढ़. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. बता रहे हैं कौन सी.
I think.
No, Hanan Abdullah, don't make a noise. You are in
Okay.
class.
We start with the wheels on the bus. I think you should mute them, na?
Okay. Okay. I am muting to all of them. Just Miss Turfa will unmute.
Okay, thank you.
Huh.
Okay, let's start. The wheels on the bus goes round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels of the bus goes round and round, all through the town. The doors of the bus goes open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors of the bus goes open and shut, all through the town. The horn of the bus
ये
goes
चाहिए ना मैसेज, स्क्रीनशॉट खींच के मुझे भेज दें. मैं शायद को दिखाना है.
beep, beep, beep. The horn of the bus goes beep, beep, beep. All through the town. The wipers of the bus goes swish, 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 swish. The wipers of the bus goes swish, swish, swish. All through the town. The babies on the bus goes wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah. The babies on the bus goes wah, wah, wah. All through the town. The mama on the bus says
Shh, shh, shh. Shh, shh, shh.
the mama on the bus says
Shh, shh, shh.
all through the town. The daddy on the bus says
Huh?
I love you, I love you, I love you. The daddy on the bus says I love
you.
all through the town. Good job.
Very nice. Clap for Miss Turfa and the all babies. Very well done. So, another poem, Miss? कोई उर्दू की
Yes.
पोम इनको सुनाएंगी आप?
उर्दू की कौन सी?
कोई सी भी, जैसे मछली का बच्चा और अगर मगर की मियाँ मगरमच्छ आता है किसी को?
आई डोंट थिंक सो, शायद अब्बास को आता हो. अब्बास की फेवरेट पढ़ते हैं हम, अब्बू लाए मोटर कार. ओके अब्बास,
ये तो सबको पसंद है मुझे लगता है ना?
अब्बू लाए मोटर कार, उसके नीचे पहिए चार.
शो योर फिंगर.
है पॉ 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 करती है, आगे जाए पीछे जाए दाएं बाएं मुड़ जाए.
वाओ. अच्छा, क्या अगर मगर की मियाँ मगरमच्छ आती है? किसको आती है? रेज योर हैंड करें, रेज हैंड करें जिनको आती है। मिस तुरफा आपको आती है?
No.
अच्छा जी, मुझे आती है, मैं आपको सुनाती हूँ। अगर मगर के नियम मगरमच्छ, हमको बता दो बिल्कुल सच। अगर मगर के नियम मगरमच्छ, हमको बता दो बिल्कुल सच। दुम है तुम्हारी इतनी छोटी, आंखें क्यों है मोटी मोटी। दुम है तुम्हारी इतनी छोटी, आंखें क्यों है इतनी मोटी। दांतों वाला मुंह ना खोलो, दांतों वाला मुंह ना खोलो। अच्छा बाबा कुछ ना बोलो, दांतों वाला मुंह ना खोलो। अच्छा बाबा कुछ ना बोलो। अगर मगर के मियां मगरमच्छ, हमको बता दो बिल्कुल सच। So do you like this poem? I will unmute yourself, then you can say. Yes. Do you like it? Unmute yourself.
Yes.
Yes.
अब हम पढ़ेंगे रोजाना। मिस तुरफा, हम रोज ये वाली पढ़ेंगे। फिर मगरमच्छ जो है ना, वो अपने दांतों वाला मुंह ही नहीं खोलेगा, ठीक है? और फिर वो कुछ बोलेगा भी नहीं। फिर सारे बेबीज बोलेंगे, फिर मगरमच्छ कुछ नहीं बोलेगा।
चार की कहानी सुनाए।
किसकी कहानी सुनाए? स्टार की।
चार की कहानी सुनाए।
ओके, स्टार की।
कह रहे हैं शार्क की कहानी सुनाए।
शार्क की कहानी सुनाए। अच्छा, ये तो फिर मैं कल के सेशन में सुना सकूंगी, क्योंकि नाउ वी डिसाइड दैट
डॉल्फिन कहानी आती है।
ओके, you can share by tomorrow, okay? And we connect it again by tomorrow or day after tomorrow, so you can tell me the story. Now it's time to do creative work. Very quick we can do it, because inshallah very soon Miss Noori will also connect with us, and Miss Turfa will share something to you. So today I'm making another work with the scissor. You did very awesome job with the making sun, cutting and making sun. Today we are doing something new with the scissor. It's also cutting and very easy. Abbas, sit proper on a seat and everyone watch it. Very nice. अच्छा, अब आप सब लोग चुप से सुनेंगे, otherwise I will mute yourself. ठीक है ना? जब आपको मुझसे कुछ बोलना है, first you raise your hand, फिर मैं आपसे सुनूंगी, ठीक है?
ओके।
सबने सिर्फ चुप से सुनना है। मैं सबको अनम्यूट कर चुकी हूँ, किसी को भी मैंने म्यूट नहीं रखा, इसीलिए कि अगर कोई क्वेश्चन है तो ड्यूरिंग सेशन ही पूछ लेंगे। Now today we are making a flower with the cutting.
थोड़ा सा तेज बोले।
फ्लावर बनाएंगे आप, ठीक है?
Yes, we are making flower today. Flower today. So for this flower we need a piece of paper. I will show one paper sheet. You can fold it with the vertical shape. Fold it. It's very easy. Look, I fold it. It's a one paper and I fold it.
बनाएंगे हम शाम में।
Okay, fine. Show your thumbs up. Then I know it's fine. Very good. Zen, look at me. Zen, look at teacher. After folding, you can draw a line. When you fold it, no, baby. When you fold the paper, you can draw the line in the center as well. Draw a line. It's very easy and very quick. Draw a line. I will show. Did you see? Show your thumbs up. Then I know you can draw the line in a center. After that, hold that side which are locked. जो बंद है आपकी side, एक one side is open, not this side. The lock side, you can hold the scissor, which I tell you how you hold with your thumb and 2 fingers, and cut the small strips 20 times. We done our counting with the 20. You can see, I will cut it. Stop cutting with the line. Line तक आपको इसको cut करना है. Understand? So 20 times, when you done the 20 times cutting, I did it for you. I did it for you because time is very short, so I did it for you. I cut it. Then we can take the small piece of paper. Small piece of paper. हम छोटा white paper या brown paper लेंगे. Then try to fold it. Try to fold it and making a stick of flour. I will show just a minute. I fold it first. Just fold it. And then for safe side, you can use glue when the folding is going to be finished. Stick the glue over there in the end of the paper and close it. Look, our stick is ready. Our stick is ready. Now what we do, the strip of the cutting lines, we can paste the glue on the line which we draw in the center. अब हम glue को कहाँ paste करेंगे? Line पे paste करेंगे. I will show to you. There is a glue and there is a paper. We can paste the glue on the line. जहाँ पे line है हमारी, हम वहाँ पे glue को paste कर देंगे. It's done. And now the stick which we prepared, we can fold it with the stick. It's simple cutting practice and you can get the flower. It's a simple paper cutting and you can get the flower. For the more decoration of flower, you can add leaf as well. And in the end of the paper, you can also paste the glue and close it. Now open like this. Your beautiful flower is ready. So do you like? For more decoration, you can add the leaf as well. Okay. Now, first of all, I unmute yourself, then you can give the answer. Now, unmute. So, do you like this simple and easy activity of cutting?
Yes.
After simple paper cutting, you can get the flower.
Yeah.
And for more decoration, you can add the leaf as well. Okay, fine. You can take any color paper. I have pink, so I take pink. So if you have red, so you can
मैंने भी
do it with the red paper. If you have purple or orange or yellow, any color which you like most. Okay, understand? Now Miss Noori is also there. Hello, Miss Noori.
नीचे से करके आ जाओ बन गया
So everyone try to make that flower with the simple cutting practice and count 20 as well. Okay, when you are cutting paper, you can count 1 till 20 and count 20 strips. Now Miss Noori is here. Say hello to Miss Noori, everyone.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum assalam. How are you, Miss?
Assalamualaikum. How are you all?
Salam. I'm good. How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Very nice, Anabia. Okay, Mustaram, I request you to please mute all.
Yes, I know all. Are you able to share the screen?
I will let you know when I start, okay?
Okay, okay.
So, wow, good job, Abbas. Very nice. Very nice. Good job. Okay, so today, remember we did names of characters yesterday? Yes or no? Abbas, chup rahe, huh? Okay, so we are going to read names again. Okay? Can you please thumbs up if you can listen to me? Are you listening to me? Yes? Yes, thank you so much. Okay, so yes, miss, I can share.
Okay.
So how many of you can see the characters? Can you all see the characters? If yes, then please show me your thumbs up. Okay, so can you tell me who is over here? And who is doing that? Okay. Kipper? Kipper? I can't see you all.
Yes, what happening, babies? I think there is a network issue. Okay, no issue. I will tell you about the characters. I'm trying to share the screen to you. Mm, So did you hear me? So we are talking about the names. Kipper, Kipper, Kipper. Mum, mum, mum. Dad, dad, dad. Floppy, floppy, floppy. Chip, chip, chip. Now come to the beginning sound of the all names. First of all, I call Kipper. The beginning sound of Kipper is Ka. Ka is for Kipper. Ka is for Kipper. The second name is Mum. The beginning sound of Mum is Mm. Mm. Is for Mum. Is for Mum. The third name is Dad. 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 The beginning sound of dad is D. 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 The beginning sound of dad is D. D. D is for dad. The next name is Floppy. 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 The beginning sound of floppy is for floppy. Is for floppy. Is for floppy. The next name is Chip. Chip. The beginning sound of chip is ch. 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 Chip. Ch. Chip. Ch. Chip. Now you can see the screen. Ch. Chip. The other character is Biff. 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 And the beginning sound of Biff is B. B. B is for Biff. 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 Very nice. So these are the character of the ORT series, which Miss Nouri tells you daily. And I hope you all are remember the name. Now the turn is going to Miss Surfa again. She is sharing something to you. Okay, babies, get ready.
Okay. In the last, yes. Can you hear me all? If you hear me, then thumbs up. Good job. In the last class, I share you a picture of a mom and a girl. And today I'm going to share another picture. Okay, let's have a look. Did you see the picture? Yes. What are they doing? What the girls are doing? One girl is the one girl holder. Yes. And what she is sitting. I think she needs help. Look, her shoelaces are not tied. What should she say to her friend if she wants help of her friend? Yeah, she should say please. What she should say? She should say please help me. Please help me. Yes, whenever we want help of our mama or baba, we should say them please. We should say them please to help us. Okay? Now, Miss Iram is going to play a beautiful rhyme for you guys. Okay?
Yes, I am playing. You can see my screen.
Oh.
So, did you enjoy? Okay, first
Yes or no?
unmute themselves, then they realize what teacher is saying. So I give the permission to all of you to unmute yourself quick. Yes, because time is going fast and we have just 2 or 3 minutes. So did you enjoy the poem? So what is the message of that poem? The message of that poem is say please and thank you in every day. When you need some help, you can say please. When you do something, so you can say thank you.
Please and thank you. Please and thank you.
Say them every day. Okay? सबने every day please and thank you use करना है. And this is the message from St. Gregory's as well. You can say thank you and please all the time. Okay? Keep it in your mind and always use it. बहुत मजा आया है आज तो अब्दुल्ला बहुत एंजॉय कर रहे थे है ना अब्दुल्ला बहुत मजा आया अब्बास को भी बहुत मजा आया भाई बहुत मजा आया मैं देख रही थी सबको
टीचर क्या कह रही है अब्दुल्ला
Anabia, what about you? Did you enjoy?
Yes.
Yes.
Both the Anabias. Anabia, Sayyida Anabia and Anabia Ahmad.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, Sayyida Nabia.
Yes. So, in the last, again I show your creative work. You can did it by yourself, okay? And show me your video as previous. जैसे आप लोगों ने previously Sun की मुझे video share की. Very nice effort. I like it very much. So you can show this effort as well. It's all about the practice of cutting. When we are able to cut the paper, we can go to the card sheet. Okay? Softer than harder. पहले हमने soft objects cut करते हैं. When we are able to cut the soft object, we can go to the harder. फिर हम hard objects पे जाएंगे. Fine. अच्छा, one thing very important. Please everyone listen. Quiet. Stop. Look and listen. The very important thing is that by Monday, excuse me everyone, मेरी बात पहले सुन लें, time over होने वाला है. By Monday, I will take your assessment one by one. इसी तरह हम meeting connect करेंगे, but I allow only one student for 10 minutes. Okay, then I take assessment, then he will quit, he or she will quit, then other will come. By Monday, the date of Monday is, I will write it this message in the group as well, but the order is कि हम आपको यहाँ क्लास में भी बता दें. Monday is 29th of June. 29th of June, I will start taking assessment one by one, and that will be according to the attendance register. The baby who come first, उसको मैं पहले cover करूँगी, ठीक है? और that is not a paper. Don't be panic or don't be worried about it. जो दिनों से क्लास में कर रहे हैं, और कुछ बच्चों से पूछूंगी कि जो कुछ मिस नूरी ने, मिस तुरफा ने पढ़ाया, उनको कहाँ तक कुछ भी समझ में आया. ये एक असेसमेंट है ताकि हम जज कर पाएं आगे इनको फॉरवर्ड क्लास में काम कराने में. So don't be panic and don't be worried. It's better for you to start. Okay, by the Monday I will start this. लेकिन सारे बच्चे इस तरह क्लास में नहीं रहेंगे. फिर बता रही हूँ. One by one I allow. Then they will connect, give assessment. Then I will call other. They will come and give assessment. इस तरह से हमारा पूरा 1 hour का session complete हो जाएगा. Fine. Okay, it's time to say Allah Hafiz. Before Allah Hafiz, listen the message of the teacher. Wash your hand time. होंगी रोजाना होंगी हमारी क्लासें. Wash your hand with the soap. Cover your nose and mouth with the mask and sanitize your hand timely. Okay, and stay home and be safe. Say Allah Hafiz everyone. Allah Hafiz. Say Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Say Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz everyone. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz. Beti, you can quit. Then I will. But jali mish. And Nabia, beti, close your meeting.